My friends, I hope. Today I'm gonna be making my dogs into Gacha because why not? So, I guess I'll start with Goose. Ooh, okay. So Goose is a very big dog. He's a big dog. He would be this color, so. I'm not being racist or anything with what I do, but the colors decide. The colors decide, not me. And I don't want the tips, so I'm just gonna remove that. But yeah, Goose is like the biggest one. He's like half my size. I'm not good with eyes, okay? Don't. I'm not good with eyes. Eyes are not my... His eyes are like yellowish black. So, yellow with black. That's what I'm going for, I guess. Okay, that went the wrong way. Oops. I guess that'll work. I was too lazy to mess around with colors for the clothes and stuff. So I just and they're both males. They're both male dogs. So to be honest, I'm gonna clothe them off. I'm gonna put the clothes on them based off their personalities. So, that works. And I'm doing like coloring. Oops. Doing coloring based off of I don't know. But I am doing coloring based off of something. I forgot I was gonna give him a white shirt. I was gonna do that, yeah. Cause he's, his stomach is white, so I might as well do that. I'm pretty, have you seen, Madison, have you seen my dogs? Have you seen those dogs before? I'm pretty sure you have. I'm pretty sure you've seen them before. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I showed you on Discord or something. But anyways, I forgot to do that. Mouth and the... That actually looks really good. I like that. I can't speak right now. He had I'm gonna put a mark on his face, but I don't know which one will fit good. Because he had... Because he does get bruised up. Really badly. So I guess I'll just I'll put a faded in kind of mark, you know? You can't really see it. Yeah, fading in. Good enough, right? Doesn't need a hat. Does he need his tail? Sometimes he like whacks me with his tail and I don't like it, so should he really get a tail? I mean, there's really no dog tails here. Whatever. There is Goose. And now let's start on Maverick. Alright, so Maverick is a black dog. I'm not good with skin coloring, just don't judge me, please. Anyways, Maverick is the older brother, but he's smaller than Goose because of the breed. And yeah, they're not really the same breed, and that's fine. I don't care. I don't really care about the breed. His eyes are like brownish, this brown. And then, he has scratches on his face, but I'm just too lazy to put them. I don't think I'd give him glasses, would I? No, I wouldn't. So, for Maverick, my computer just shut down. I guess he'd be better for like a suit or something. No, I don't want that. I'm trying to hit the X without hitting the stop recording button because it's like right here in my corner, right on the X. So, it's just really annoying sometimes, you know. I should probably give him shoes. This doesn't even look like a dog anymore. You know what? That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I don't know if I want to give them hats or not, though. I won't give them hats. Yeah, I'm really lazy with accessories, so don't like be mean or anything. I guess I'll put like a face accessory on. I'm sorry for not uploading in a week. I don't think I've explained on any channels, but my aunt was visiting for a week, and I stayed the whole week she was there at my great grandma's with her. So that's why I haven't been uploading on this channel lately. So yeah, forgive me. You know, I should probably put a scratch on Maverick instead, because he's the one that likes to get in fights and stuff, so. They don't. I'm not trying to be racist or anything, but I'm trying to make it fade. Oh my gosh, can you stop lagging? Can you stop going black, tablet? That's like... It's light? I guess that works. Hey, 10-minute mark. That's good. Yeah, I guess that's good for him. Nope. Didn't need to. I don't think I released that yet. I'm not going to, though. Let me see if I did. I have my... I forgot to change Maverick's eyes. Can't give him the Give me a second. No, I didn't upload it. I'm not going to. It's part of the Save My Soul series. Yeah, I won't upload it. Glitch trap Granny. Okay, that's enough. I haven't updated Madison's avatar. Oops. Because I'm lazy. And I'm an idiot. And I forgot what numbers. So there's Goose and Maverick. That was me making my grandma's dogs. My aunt's dogs. I'm not begging for likes, but please do subscribe. I'm trying to catch up to my main account. See you later, bye.